Right, this is the engine extraction. Volkswagen beetle. God, this camera's too close. Right, we've undone accelerator, alt wires to the dynamo and the oil pressure wires. I've just whipped off them couple of HT leads just to make it easy. Let's get underneath here. Just draining oil out of there now. We'll get this light in there. We've undone his fuel line, and that's clamped. I'll just wait for this oil to drain out, and then we'll undo the bolts. We'll drop it back down to the ground, I think, to pull the engine out. Last time I did it, it nearly fell on me. And then once we get the engine out, we're going to get all that paint off it. So it ain't terrible, but it's bottom that door's gone, corner of that wing's gone now, so see that nice shiny, all different colours. I don't need to bother with interior. Leather on suite on passenger seats in there, oh, that's lovely. Right, I think let's have a look. How's the oil? There's a few last trips still coming out. I think we might try and sneak under there and see if we can get them nuts undone.